Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. As you may see, we got some veggies and we're gonna today start some Asian style noodles. So we're gonna start with our spring onion and garlic to stir fry a little bit with our spices. And then in parallel we are cooking our noodles. Yeah, as you may see in the video, just we can have it already cooked, or we're gonna cook it in parallel. It's just a 5-minute cooking, and these 5 minutes will last for our dish to be ready. It's just fresh veggies, as you may see. So we're gonna start just adding our shrimps, as you may see, to our spring onion and spices. It's just, as I said, it's just a 5 minutes. Yeah, you gotta pre-wash your veggies, cut. Just save your time. If you have all your mise en place, your setup. So it's very easy to be done. Yeah. After our shrimps, we're gonna add our carrots. As you may see here, I just cut it with a peeler, with a potato peeler. I just cut it this shape, and it's just very easy. It just doesn't need any cooking. It's just 1 minute cooking for the shrimps and the carrots. We want them crunchy. We don't want them overcooked. So just 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. That's it. Yeah. After that, in the parallel, we are boiling. As I say, I'm boiling our noodles. You can have them pre-washed, already cold, and just bring it to the pan now, to the wok I'm using now. Yeah. But this time I'm doing it in parallel. It's just very easy. Yeah. As you may see, it just doesn't take any time to cook them. Yeah. So after 5 minutes, I'm gonna add the noodles to my wok. Yeah, in the wok I have the spice. I have a little bit of chili flakes, curcuma, curry powder, pepper, and the spring onion, the garlic. You can add a little bit of ginger as well, but I didn't have at the moment, so that's why I didn't add them. But now I'm adding my noodles. I'm gonna mix all together, that all get the color of the curry powder and the curcuma, or the turmeric as well. This is that everything gets mixed there, and I'm gonna slowly start adding afterwards my veggies, my soy sauce, a little bit of fish sauce, and just mix all together in wok, high temperature, fast cooking, and then just enjoying it. So now it's coming. Soy sauce I'm using, this is around 2 tablespoons, I guess, of soy sauce, 2.5 or 3. You can check it. It's a little bit up to you how much soy sauce you like, or yeah. Just now I'm gonna start adding my veggies. I'm gonna add the chopped zucchini I have here. I also have the green part of the spring onion just cut, and also red bell pepper in slices. Just add all together, mix all together. I will finish it up with a little bit of fish sauce. Just try a little bit, and I just this fish sauce will bring will enhance the flavor of our noodles. Yeah, and just like that, we are just ready. You see how fast it is. It is very easy for a speedy dinner. It's also very yummy. You can flexible it with the veggies you like. If you don't want some shrimps, you can add pork or chicken or vegetarian as well. Yeah, it's just a little bit flexible dishes, which is very nice in our everyday kitchen. So now, as you may see, I'm adding a little bit of fish sauce. It's not that much, around a teaspoon or something like that. And we are just ready. Now we're gonna serve it in our 2 bowls, and I'm gonna decorate it with some black sesame seeds, and just like that. You can also add a little bit of coriander on top, or some green herbs is also a nice touch. So I hope you like it. If you like it, just leave your like behind the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care.